happy to be working with the U.S. Coast Guard on a joint search and rescue exercise in the Canadian High Arctic.
We're going to be doing search patterns, both the Coast Guard ship crew Ely and the Coast Guard ship Amundsen.
Red color Ely Amundsen.
The Amundsen has assumed the OSC for an overdue vessel.
No situation is the same. If there's a search and rescue call, it's always different. Those exercises help us better be prepared. Communities are getting bigger, so we want to make sure people know about the risk of being in Canadian Arctic. Most important is the link with the local communities.
In 2018, the Canadian Coast Guard launched its Arctic region. Ever since that time, we've been working very closely with Indigenous partners and taking the views of Northerners to figure out what the future of our program looks like in the North.
We have to rely on each other in the Arctic, so working closely with our neighbours and our partners in the Arctic is extremely important.
For you to see me.
Depuis plusieurs années maintenant, nous voyons une croissance importante du trafic maritime dans le nord du Canada. Pour la garde côtière canadienne, ceci veut dire plus de demandes pour nos services de recherche et sauvetage et nos services de brise-glace.
Yeah, the Polar Condor Shelf Program is keen to deepen its relationship with the Canadian Coast Guard. We provide logistic support for scientific research in the Canadian Arctic between search and rescue and appropriate environmental stewardship activities. I think it's a natural partnership.
I think the exercise was a great success. The communication between the two ships and the Marine Communication Traffic Services was top-notch. Both organizations learned from each other, and at the end of the day, that's really the goal of the exercise.